As the sun sets behind the mountains, a new energy awakens in Ella. The streets of Ella begin to glow with warm lights. Music flows through the cool night air. Laughter rises from vibrant cafés as travelers from around the world gather together. Backpacks rest beside wooden tables. Cameras flash. Strangers smile, talk, and become friends. Tourists walk freely along Ella town's lively streets, tasting local flavors, enjoying live music, dancing, and simply living in the moment. Under the misty mountain sky, every corner feels alive with joy and freedom. Ella at night isn't just beautiful, it's unforgettable. Welcome to the beautiful moments of Ella nights. This is the legendary entrance to Ella at night. As darkness falls, the town begins to glow with life, color, and energy. Let's step into Ella town and discover what's happening after sunset. Join me as we explore the freedom, the joy, and the unforgettable beauty of Ella at night. This is paradise in my eyes. It's 7:30 p.m. and for a moment, you might seriously ask yourself, are we really in Sri Lanka? Because right now, Ella feels like another country entirely. The streets are overflowing with travelers. Different languages blend together. Music pulses from every corner. Laughter rises into the cool mountain night air. Every cafe is alive. Every street is glowing. Every face carries the excitement of adventure. Hey, do you hear that? That's a beautiful guitar playing somewhere nearby. It sounds like it's coming from one of these cafes. The vibe already feels amazing. Come on, let's go check it out and see what's happening there. This is exactly why nights in Ella are so special. You can see that every visitor here is spending their evening in a relaxed and leisurely way, simply enjoying the music. Some are quietly listening to the guitarist, others are chatting with friends, fully soaking in the peaceful night atmosphere. And in this cool mountain evening, many people are ordering a hot cup of tea from this cafe, the perfect refreshment to warm their hands and hearts. Moments like this make nights in Ella feel calm, cozy, and unforgettable. Let's take a moment to talk with this lovely couple and ask them how they're feeling about their journey in Sri Lanka.
First day we was in Anuradhapura and in Peking Valley. Second day we was in Lampula and
very kind people, very nice temples, and sightseeing is wonderful.
After finishing their week-long journeys, many travelers return to their guest houses and hotels to rest and freshen up. Once they've changed and relaxed, they come back out into Ella, ready to enjoy the night. You can see them walking through the streets with smiles, exploring cafes, tasting new food, listening to live music, and simply being happy. Here in Ella town, they enjoy every moment freely, without rush, without stress, just pure joy under the mountain night sky. Wait, listen carefully. A beautiful melody flows gently from that cafe, mixing with the cool mountain breeze. It feels warm, inviting, almost magical. Let's walk a little closer and look around. Perhaps this is where the heart of Ella beats the strongest tonight.
Just to hear your gentle song. When the world feels cold and wild, you're the warmth that pulls me through. In your light, I come alive, like stars that wake the night. With your hand in mine, everything feels right. If forever has a sound, it's the whisper of your name. In your light, my heart will never think precise. I found a sunrise in your smile, a quiet place where I belong. Every heartbeat walks a mile, just to hear your gentle song. When the world feels cold and wild, you're the warmth that pulls me through. In your light, I come alive, like stars that wake the night. With your hand in mine, everything feels right. If forever has a sound, it's the whisper of your name. In your light, my heart will never be the same. If forever has a sound, it's the whisper of your name. In your light, my heart will never be the same.
Peace Cafe gives its visitors a truly beautiful experience with the soulful sound of a live saxophone. The smooth notes float gently through the night air, creating a relaxing and unforgettable atmosphere. This beautiful backdrop was specially arranged for the celebration of Valentine's Day. The decorations add a romantic charm to the night, glowing softly under the lights. So of course, we couldn't miss the chance. We captured a few photos here to keep as sweet memories of this special evening in Ella. Moments like these turn simple nights into unforgettable memories. Here, a young artist is carefully creating a beautiful mehndi design on a tourist's hand. With steady hands and delicate detail, she transforms the skin into a work of art. The patterns are elegant and intricate, a small but meaningful memory to carry from this special night in Ella. It's simple, beautiful, and full of cultural charm. And now, we've come to the end of this beautiful night. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the vibrant streets and unforgettable moments. I warmly invite you to visit Sri Lanka and experience this magic for yourself. The freedom, the joy, the atmosphere you'll never forget. I'll see you again in the next video with another beautiful vibe and another unforgettable story. Until then, stay safe. This is paradise in my eyes.